Okay, so I'm going to bring in import session data. We're going to take a look at this one. If we go to File, Import Session Data, what this allows us to do is combine Pro Tools sessions or bring in data from any other Pro Tools session, allowing us to borrow things like mix settings, automation, or just actually combine files overall. So for instance, if I wanted to bring in the session that we brought in for the AAF, I could basically bring the whole thing in. I'm just going to make sure that my media is set to bring in, bring it all on an incoming track there, and just hit OK. The only weird thing that happens from time to time is based upon where the tempo marker starts. You can see like this shift to 120 didn't happen until here. So like there's actually a dead bar or two at the front end. And sometimes we just have to manually correct that. But if we take a look at it, the majority of our stuff should have come in with edits, just the same way we saw it in the other session, except we're really borrowing it from that other session. And it's also going to be copying that media. So like when you see this, whenever you do an import and you see the whole bunch of stuff going on in the background, a lot of times it's because it's making that copy of the media for the actual folder, which is what it should do so that we make sure we don't lose anything. And then of course, there's the session. We have that incoming information.